Seeing duplicate folders in the left pane of File Explorer, it's a common issue caused by system glitches or registry errors. Let's fix it quickly with a few simple steps. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Start and open Task Manager. Look for Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Change File Explorer options. Open File Explorer. Click on the three-dot menu at the top. Select Options. Go to the View tab. Make sure Show All Folders is unchecked. Click on Apply, then OK. Restore default File Explorer settings. Click on the three-dot menu in File Explorer again. Select Options. Click on Restore Defaults. Click on Apply, then OK. Run commands in Command Prompt. CMD. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, and then Yes to confirm. Copy and paste the first command from the video description and press Enter. Copy and paste the second command and press Enter. Copy and paste the third command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter to close CMD. Run another command in CMD. Again, search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, and then Yes. Copy and paste the final command from the video description and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter to close CMD. Restart your PC, right-click on Windows Start and select Restart. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.